Hello, everyone. Welcome to EduTech, your daily English learning partner. Here, we make English simple, fun, and practical through real-life conversations. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss your daily English lesson. Subscribing supports our educational family and helps you improve step by step. Today's topic is at the supermarket. Let's get started. Now let's learn some short phrases. Please repeat after me. Scene. At the supermarket, Alex and Mia bump into each other while shopping. Hey, fancy seeing you here. Shopping day? Oh, hi. Yeah, just grabbing a few things. This place is always packed, right? Totally. I almost got stuck in a trolley traffic jam near the veggies. Haha, same here. Do you know where the coffee is? I've been walking in circles. Coffee's next to the snacks aisle. Trust me, I just raided the chips section. Perfect combo, coffee and chips. That's basically a survival kit. Exactly. Oh, look, these apples are on discount. Should I grab some? Definitely. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, unless it's covered in caramel. Haha, true. So, card or cash today? Card, of course. I never carry cash. Same. Last time I paid in coins, the cashier stared at me like I was from another planet. Giggles. That must have been awkward. Anyway, I'm heading to checkout. Want to join? Sure. Let's go before we get tempted to buy half the store. Agreed. Supermarkets are dangerous. 1 minute you need bread, and suddenly your basket has ice cream, chips, and 3 random candles. Story of my life. Let's pay and escape before we go broke. Deal. Coffee and chips. Here we come. Thanks a lot for watching today's lesson on EduTech. If you enjoyed this conversation, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. Why? Because subscribing means you'll never miss a new daily English lesson. Each video is designed to help you speak confidently in real-life situations, at the supermarket, at the restaurant, at the airport, and so many more.